Hi, what are the skills a Power BI developer should possess? To break into the data field, formal education is mandatory. A bachelor degree in a computer science administration are closely related field necessary. Aside from the academic qualification, the position of Power BI developer demand a lot. Some of the key skills are listed as we can share hands-on experience in data preparation, data gateway, and data warehouse and concept, knowledge of Microsoft Business Intelligence Stack, which includes Power BI, SSAS, SSRS, and SSIS. Experience with self-service tools, knowledge in JavaScript libraries on SQL database. These are the few skills Power BI developer should possess in an organization